I'm a recent graduate of UW Green Bay's Management BBA program. I am currently a retail relationship banker with BMO Harris. When I originally started attending UW Green Bay, I was business undecided, but when I heard about the management degree, it really sounded like something that could fit my interests. It sounded like a very versatile and open-ended degree that you could do a lot with. I would say one of the best parts about the Management BBA program is its curriculum. The biggest things it focuses on is problem solving, leadership, and teamwork, all things that any manager would need. My favorite class was Teams with Professor Murphy. We were assigned 2 different teams for the semester, both with different projects, and that class really helped you adapt to working with new people in new environments. And it was all just independent work, like you had to schedule your own meeting times, you had to meet together, you had to work together, but it was all great. It was a really good experience. I really enjoyed organizational behavior, one of the courses I had with Professor Murphy. One of the projects that we worked on had my team and I working with the Hyatt Regency Hotel in downtown Green Bay. We were working on improving their turnover rate for the housekeeping department. Within that project, we interviewed housekeeping staff as well as management. We reviewed all the information we got and made a plan that could work for everyone. We ended up presenting in front of the class and one of the managers, and changes were made based on what we gave them, so that was really cool. The Student Association of Management really helped me build both my leadership and budgeting skills, as I was both the treasurer and one of the chairs. The professors here at UW Green Bay, not only are they experts in their field, but they truly show that they're here to support their students in any way possible. I had multiple professors who helped me with my career path through both recommendation letters as well as just advice. I started out as a teller and now I am a personal banker with BMO Harris. And I would say the Management BBA program really helped me climb the ladder and excel, and I know that this is just the beginning.